Learn to choose a deck builder. Safe, code compliant, cost transparent, quality driven, built to last across America. Tens of millions of aging decks. Ledger failures cause collapses. Choose code-compliant builders to ensure safety. Deck builders specialize in design, framing, railings, stairs. GCs manage trades. Handy people tackle small jobs. Decks vary widely. Complexity rises with elevation, hot tub loads, roof penetrations, and waterproofing requirements. Judge deck pros by licensing, insurance, code compliance, permitted work, itemized estimates, warranties, and safety. Typical installed costs by material. Railings and stairs add extra. Next, we'll cover timeline. Typical deck timelines vary widely. Design, permits, procurement, build. Inspections and weather often extend schedule. Common deck failures include weak ledger connections, poor footings, undersized framing, corroded hardware, rails, stairs. Roadmap ahead. Credentials, compliance, design, materials, contracts, scheduling, reviews, warranties, special conditions. Next, credentials, compliance. Licensing rules vary by state or city. Confirm class, thresholds, exams, and verify. Insurance next. Expect robust insurance. Confirm proper certificates and endorsements to shift risk. Next, certifications and training. Recognize training. NADRA, OSHA, 1030, manufacturer programs, current IRC applied. Not replacing permits while inspections. Portfolio next. We prove experience with measurable portfolio metrics, then shift into codes and permitting essentials next. IRC baseline, 40 PSF live load, 36-inch guards, 4-inch infill, safe stairs, corrosion-resistant connectors, compatible fasteners. Permits cover attached, large, or tall decks. Small freestanding may be exempt. Fees. Inspections next. Inspection checkpoints, footings, framing, final, verify dimensions, connections, and safety. Next, zoning and HOA control. Zoning sets setbacks, height, and buffers. HOAs approve design and timelines. Then we cover ledger. Ledger failures cause collapses. Use structural fasteners, flashing, and proper spacing. Avoid nails. Spans next. Quick rules of thumb. Typical joist spans, limited cantilevers, and beam sizing by local tables. Footings go below frost. Use 2,500, 3,500 psi concrete, 6x6 posts with bases. Lateral bracing next. Stabilize decks with knee and plan bracing. Uplift hardware, tension ties. Next, guards. Railings, stairs, guards at elevated edges, limit openings, proper handrails, consistent stairs, landings, lighting. Next, hot tub. Account for hot tubs and heavy features. Tighten framing, add footings. Verify prescriptive limits early. Compare PT pine, cedar, and redwood on cost, longevity, durability. Next, composites, PVC, aluminum decking. Composite, wood plastic. PVC, lighter, expands more. Aluminum, rigid, fire resistant. Next up, fasteners and corrosion now. Use HDG or stainless with treated lumber. 3/116 at COS. Isolate metals. Next, ledger flashing. Protect ledgers, joists, and roof decks using flashing, tapes, proper slope, membranes, and drains. Next, estimating. Your deck estimate groups everything into clear categories, previewing the cost breakdown that follows next. Labor dominates. Decking materials follow. Framing and permits smaller. Extras increase both. Allowances drive change order. Allowances reserve funds. Change orders lock scope, costs, schedule impacts, with typical markups and delays. Compare specialists, general contractors, and handy people by expertise, speed, and price. Next, seasonality and backlogs. Spring-summer demand creates backlogs. Off-season offers flexibility. Prices swing. Specialty parts and weather stretch timeline. Typical terms: 10-30% deposit, milestone draws, retainage, lien waivers, watch card fees. Next, check review. Favor trends and detailed feedback. Flag issues, spot spikes. Verify via references and site visits. Ask references about deck age, issues, fixes, and durability. Next, verify license status and complaint. Verify state license portals, BBB, and court records, plus registration history. Next, assess daily management. Crews of 2 to 4 finish decks in 1 to 2 weeks. Communication streamlines build. One contact, weekly updates, log changes. Use tools. Escalate to support site and neighbor protection. We protect your property, manage access, and respect neighbors. Safety on active sites comes next. We enforce PPE, fall protection, proper ladders and controls, plus OSHA training and documented record. Workmanship runs 1 to 3 years. Product coverage lasts decades. Yet terms, registration, maintenance matter. Maintenance varies. Wood needs resealing. Composites need cleaning. Aluminum minimal. Next, long-term value and resale. Permits boost resale and appraisals. Unpermitted delays sales. Quality cuts lifetime costs. Composites reduce upkeep. This concise framework guides selection. Next, we compare 3 bidders against it, clearly and objectively. Apply the framework. Compare A, B, C on scope, code, warranty, schedule, materials. Safety next. Deck failures concentrate at the house connection. Secure ledger and flashing before cost. Comparisons next. Wood cheaper with maintenance. Composite higher. Less upkeep over 15 years. Next, quick build quality checklist. Final QA snapshot. Permits and inspections confirmed. Structure, corrosion resistance, and safety verified. Next, milestone. After selection, expect design, permitting, materials, build, and inspection. Timelines vary with weather or HOA. Choose a qualified deck builder for safer permitted builds. Predictable costs, fewer surprises, decades-long value.